Amit Shah is often called the organizer, the strategist or the Chanakya of BJP. If the game plan for Nitish Kumar is being chalked out by Modi's one-time blue-eyed boy Prashant Kishore, then for Modi, Shah is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that BJP is the winner at the end of the election. Amit Shah is credited with winning BJP maximum number of seats in UP in 2014 and winning state after state before AAP halted the Modi juggernaut in Delhi. Amidst high-pitched rhetoric, he will be closely watched as his Midas touch will be on test. An NNI special report from the land of Buddha. Amit Shah is a busy man, crisscrossing the length and the breadth of the state to campaign for his party along with other BJP stalwarts. He is also looking after the strategy to ensure the party gains maximum mileage, leading to a blooming lotus. With the war room buzzing with activity, daily meetings and micromanaging the Modi rallies personally, the urgency is visible. Shah reportedly has the authority to summon state and central party leaders anytime. Besides holding a series of meetings at his hotel room, Shah could land at the state party headquarters anytime and stay there till late. He reportedly starts his day early and ends it well beyond midnight between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m.
हमने विकास किया है। गुजरात में एक बार जीते, आज तक नहीं हारे। मध्य प्रदेश में जीते, आज तक नहीं हारे। छत्तीसगढ़ में जीते, आज तक नहीं हारे। हरियाणा जीते, झारखंड जीते, महाराष्ट्र जीते, जम्मू कश्मीर भी जीत गए। अब बिहार की बारी है मित्रों। विकास भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही दे रही है।
Accountability has been fixed and it has been made clear to central and state leaders that they would be answerable to their hits and misses. Till the time of announcement of elections, the BJP had divided the state into 4 zones: Muzaffarpur, Gaya, Saharsa and Bhagalpur. There were also areas where Narendra Modi held his first round of Parivartan rallies before elections were announced. Shah further divided these 4 zones into 12 zones. Leaders like Radha Mohan Singh, Giriraj Singh, Rajiv Pratap Rudy, JP Nadda, Sanjay Jaiswal, Ashwini Chaubey and Kailash Vijayvargiya were assigned the charge of one each zone.
गठबंधन के मुखिया ही आज गठबंधन के साथ नहीं हैं और दूसरी ओर मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चारों पार्टियां एकजुट होकर एक मुस्त होकर बिहार के चुनाव में लगी है। वो विजय किस ओर जा रहा है उसको दर्शाती है।
Shah, as a run-up to the campaign ahead of the polls, held a series of conventions with district and block presidents, organization and election in charge, booth-level workers to add more firepower to the campaign leaders like Rajnath Singh, Sushma Swaraj and Smriti Irani are to campaign. Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti will woo the Nishad caste and MOS Railways Manoj Sinha will be used to play the Bhumihar card. The stress is on winning over the Ati Pichhda Varg.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रति जो प्यार देखा है मित्रों, मुझे मालूम है ये कोई छोटा मोटा चुनाव नहीं है। बिहार में भाजपा की सुनामी आने वाली है, सुनामी आने वाली है।
Shah is targeting new voters which numbers around 1 crore and newly enrolled BJP members. The BJP now has an active database of around 67 lakh new members and they are being kept in touch with messages through WhatsApp and SMS. Meanwhile, those leaders who are unhappy are also being treated kindly. They will be paid a visit to placate them and ensure they do not spoil the BJP's chances in this election. The BJP is contesting 160 of Bihar's 243 seats and the other 83 have been divided among 3 regional allies.
उनको फोबिया हो चुका है नरेंद्र मोदी का। हर चीज में नरेंद्र मोदी दिखाई पड़ता है और मैं कहता हूं लालू जी ठीक ही हुआ है, दिखाई पड़ना चाहिए क्योंकि बिहार का भविष्य नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में ही बदलने वाला है।
The issues that many have raised include allegations of ticket being given to people with a criminal background and about the relatives of local leaders being denied nomination. Amit Shah has instructed party workers that they must ensure all election rallies held by senior leaders are a huge success and not just a select few. Also, every worker has been instructed to bring 100 new voters to the polling booths. In deciding tickets for the 160 assembly seats the BJP will contest in Bihar, party president Amit Shah reportedly listed 3 criteria: winnability, caste and age of the ticket seekers.
तो मैं सीमांचल के रहवासियों को आज अपील करने के लिए आया हूं, नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पूर्ण बहुमत की सरकार बिहार में बनाकर देखिए, हम बिहार को देश का नंबर 1 राज्य बनाकर दे देंगे.
The BJP reading reportedly is that 30% of Bihar's 6.68 crore voters will go beyond caste lines. It is counting on the Modi factor to give a befitting reply to 25 years of rule of Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad. However, while many see this election as a do-or-die election for the BJP president Amit Shah, experts say that for Shah this is an election where he must do but shall not die if the efforts do not yield desired results.
और परिवर्तन ये लालू नीतीश की जोड़ी नहीं कर सकती. इन्होंने जात पात के नाम पर, अगड़े पिछड़े के नाम पर पूरे समाज को बांटा है. 25 साल तक उनके हाथ में शासन रहा. लालू के शासन को आज भी बिहार नहीं भूला है. बताइए लालू के शासन को क्या कहते थे? बताइए क्या कहते थे? आज वही लालू नीतीश के कंधे पर बैठकर फिर से आ रहे हैं. अगर वो जीते तो क्या आएगा? जंगल राज नहीं, जंगल राज 2 आएगा.
Shah's place in the party was reportedly decided the day Modi declared Shah as the man of the match after leading the BJP to victory in the parliamentary polls. His appointment to the post also sealed Modi's complete control over both government and party. It is believed any decision to deny Shah a full term for 3 years would indicate that Modi's supremacy is under challenge.
Powered by NNIS.